Good morning, gorgeous people, and welcome back. It is the morning of my flight and I am getting ready. This is the outfit, this is what it's looking like, this is what my room is looking like. Very messy as usual. I have my two bags here. This bag, which is a carry-on bag, and then I also have this bag which I will be checking in. Hey guys, here's my mom. She's driving. We are on the way to the airport. I am officially at the airport. It is quite busy and now I'm just waiting to board my flight. Gonna board now! Yay! It's so loud and I'm sitting like at the back of the plane. I have successfully made it. I am in the plane and I have the window seat. Super cute. I have landed and the first thing I noticed about fucking Cape Town is that it's piss windy. But it's worth it to be here though. The weather is nice. Yeah, the flight was very nice as well. I had a muffin and some knickknacks on the flight. 10 out of 10 recommend. I can like smell the ocean in the air, if that makes sense. Like the sea salt, I can smell it. I've been reunited with Faye and he got me flowers. You guys know mother-in-law, and then there's husband. Walking with my bags. I am at the beach, which I have been waiting for literally for so long. I fucking love the beach. And then here is Ariane. Yes. You guys have been asking for him. More Ariane content. Here he is. What do you have to say?
Fuck off.
So guys, my mother-in-law and her oyster. Cheers. Stunning. Gorgeous. Our food has arrived. Update, we're gonna go for a hike with our friends.
Yeah, very excited. It's just a little bit hot right now, but we'll push through, sweat it through.
We have not even started the hike yet. Here are the friends. We've hiked all of 10 meters and I'm already dead. I was feeling really shit, like I was actually busy dying. And then these fuckers whipped out lollipops and now my life is complete again. We have done 1 kilometer out of the 5 kilometers. Don't know how I'm gonna survive. I'm actually not surviving, I'm dying. But it's fine. Update, we're almost at the top. Barely made it. Barely alive right now. There's everyone. Everyone's doing so great except me. And this is the view. It's gorgeous.
Anyway, taking sorry for not responding. But in response to your message, just put I'll drop.
We made it to the top. Okay, actually we're lying. We did not make it to the top. We're fucking lazy. You see? Oh, look how sexy my nails are looking. Anyways, all the way up there. can only go down once you get to the top. I don't know, I think they're gaslighting me because they want to go to the top. I think this was all an elaborate scheme by Ariane.
Yeah, it was. Damn right.
He's saying it was. Update, we made it to the cross. There's the cross, there's everyone. There's the view. Okay, goodbye, that's all for today. I'll see you tomorrow.